Today I will be painting Asaj Ventress from Star Wars Shatterpoint. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Asaj Ventress is primed with a matte white primer from the Army Painter. We're starting with a Broodmother purple air paint, but I forgot to record the first part of her dress. Which is the part I find came out the best. Next, we will be using purple alchemy to paint that ribbon thing on her dress. Moving on to Battleship Grey for her belt. The next thing we will painting will be her skin. For that we will be using one of Army Painter's skin tones, Opal Skin. I wonder if these skin tones will be in the new Warpaints Fanatic set? If yes, will it be a different name so we simply buy more paints that we don't actually need? Sorry, I can't do my witty banter. I only have a set amount of uses of text-to-speech in my video editor before needing to buy more. Hope you are still enjoying this video, and I hope to be back to my old self doing the voiceovers real soon. Alright, let's move on to those lightsabers with Carmen Dragon Speed Paint. Next, we will use Ashen Stone Speed Paint for her straps around her waist, arms and neck. Now for some nice gold trim on those emblems upon her ribbon thing. Now we are going to paint on some very tiny facial details with some matte black war paint. I was not trying to create a goatee, but I think it still turned out kinda like her face markings. The final touch will be with some enchanted steel metallic speed paint. This will cover her lightsaber hilts. There you have it, Asaj Ventress is painted and ready for the tabletop. I really hope you enjoyed this painting video and, again, sorry for the AI-generated voiceover. Hit that like button, subscribe if you are new to my channel, and may the paint be with you, always.